Hello everyone, I'm Anshu here from Aditri Fab. So today I'm here with pretty collection in Gota detailing. So many people are asking for a party wear suit in cotton based fabric. So now we have launched cotton based fabric Gota detailing suit. These are really very pretty for exclusive collection for upcoming season. As you know, everyone is waiting for festivals, and now we are here with the festival collection. So let's get started now. This is a first cotton suit with Gota detailing. See, beautiful neck on the neckline pattern in Gota. See, and print is beautiful kalamkari print. This is a top, cotton top, and this pattern will be on the panel part, right? Kurta panel part. Gota is there. Top. This is a bottom, cotton 2.5 meter each, fine cotton, soft, and this is a lining, and Gota detailing on the bottom of the fabric, and beautiful chanderi dupatta. See, with pittan work. You can see closer look of the work. This is a pittan work all over flower on the all over the dupatta, multicolor dupatta. This is, check out the dupatta. This is beautiful multicolor dupatta in chanderi home washable fabric. See, beautiful multicolor. See, you can team up with this dupatta with other suits also. So see, kalamkari dupatta, kalamkari suit in Gota detailing with multicolor chanderi dupatta. See, this is a first piece today's category in Gota detailing. You can view closer look of the suit. See, work is also there. Fine Gota work on the neckline, heavy neckline. Second color, price is 2100 for this category today. All are 2100 categories. So this is again beige color, Gota detailing. Fine malmal top is there. This is a fine malmal cotton, and on the panel part Gota lace is also there. See, so this is a top, beige color, and this is bottom, katha work bottom is there. See, you can view the closer look. This is a bottom. This is a 2.5 meter each. You can stitch pant, plazo, salwar, anything, and kurta length will be 46 or 47 easily. So no need to worry for the short kurta and anything else. And beautiful multicolor dupatta. See, Lehriya, as you know all of you that Sawan season is going on. So Lehriya is a full on demand. So we have launched Lehriya dupatta with collection. So this is Kota Lehriya dupatta. You can see this is a fabric. So very beautiful vibrant dupatta in Kota Doria, multicolor. See how it looks. So top, bottom and dupatta. Beige color, light and dark combination is perfect color combination. With heavy neckline is very heavy. So those who prefer cotton suits in party wear, so these all are available for you all. So you can enjoy your festival with this beautiful collection. See, now another color is blue color. Each and every pattern is really very beautiful today for upcoming festival season. This would be a top, heavy neckline work on midnight blue. This is a midnight blue kurta. Cotton fabric is very smooth. You can see texture is a very smooth of cotton fabric. See, heavy neckline, pure plain fabric. Bottom will be this katha lining bottom and dupatta in kota doria. See, dupatta again multicolor lehariya dupatta. Very beautiful, gorgeous collection today. You check out the dupatta and plain kurta, multiple bright color dupatta is really very beautiful. See, you can look heavy neckline with heavy neckline. See, so again beautiful collection. And now I am moving into other color, bottle green or dark green color. This is again green color ka top with heavy neckline. See, and gota is there on the panel part also. See, this is a panel part of the suit. Color is really very good, green color, and lining is not required. If you feel that lining can be stitched, but otherwise lining is not required in this fabric. This is a malmal cotton, very soft cotton. Bottom will be katha in lining pattern. This is a katha and gota detailing on the bottom also. So top, bottom, and again dupatta is a lehariya, multicolor lehariya dupatta. See. So those who prefer not wear sarees, so you can try lehariya dupatta in this season with salwar suit. See, very pretty collection for festival season or party wear in all our cotton fabric. See. So if you like these all materials, so you can send it on WhatsApp number. We have given WhatsApp on the description, so you can take from there. And we are giving home delivery, so no need to pay anything for delivery. Delivery is free in 2100, and we are dispatching worldwide also. If you are interested to send these products to loved ones, for those who are staying in outside of India, so you can ship from us outside also. These all are very beautiful for gifting purpose also. One more suit in chiffon dupatta. See, again this is beautiful blue with red combination. This would be a top in gota detailing, heavy neckline is there, all are cotton soft fabric. See, so top will be like this, bottom is lining bottom. See, and dupatta chiffon dupatta. See how beautiful dupatta. See, lace pattern is there and work is also there. You can see this is called dewdrop or mukesh, but this is basically not mukesh work, this is a dewdrop work. So pure chiffon dupatta with all over zari lace. So those who prefer chiffon dupatta, so this is with chiffon dupatta. So top, bottom and dupatta. Beautiful color combination today all. And last one suit in this category is grey combination. This is a dark grey combination in gota, heavy gota detailing work on the neckline, and chiffon cotton is fabric, very soft cotton fabric. Is texture is really very smooth. Lining is not required in these fabric. So top, and you can see on front the front panel lining also there. I mean sorry, gota lace is also there. So this is a top, and bottom, see bottom, this is all over print is there on the top or bottom, cotton, and dupatta is a kota doria, multicolor kota doria dupatta. See, all over lace is there on the dupatta. Beautiful multicolor in cotton suit. See how it looks. It's really beautiful. So that's it for today. Now I'll meet you in the next video with new category, and all these are in 2100 price and shipping also free. And one more thing I would like to share all of you, that we have started customized stitching also. If anyone is interested in stitching, so you can get it stitched from us. You can design you can design your clothes from us. So we will send all measurement chart on all the designing in the WhatsApp. You can stitch your clothes here, and we will dispatch your parcel at your doorstep. We have enough time for festival, so you can stitch with us and you are ready for festival. So I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll again launch new collection in next video. Thank you so much.